Hello, everybody. Welcome to this July 8th meeting of SIG Release. Before we get started, just a reminder that this is an official Kubernetes meeting, and thus we are beholden to the Kubernetes Code of Conduct, which boils down to be excellent to each other. My name is Kat Cosgrove, and I will be your host today. Do I have a volunteer note taker?
I can do it.
Thank you. All right. Let's get... Hello, Matteo.
Hey, folks.
All right. I expect this to be a very quick meeting since there's not much in the agenda and the people relevant to provide updates for most of these sub-projects are not here. So do we have any new members or attendees who would like to introduce themselves?
Yeah, I'm been here before, but didn't speak. Yeah, I'm literally independent. I just bring a topic about OpenSSF project security baseline. So this is being developed there, and I just want to take it and see where it can be discussed in the Kubernetes ecosystem. Talk to SIG security. They think it actually belongs here.
Well, welcome to SIG Release. What is it specifically you're looking to work on?
Yeah, if you look at it's a list of you can say best practices, but it's kind of a must versus should. That's the goal, but it's baseline. They're very minimum kind of best practices. Yeah, that's why it's project best practice, not like design and development.
Sasha, do you have any thoughts?
Yeah, I think we have to kick off the. Is it also related to the VEX effort somehow?
I don't think so, because I'm not aware of that effort.
Okay.
So yeah, this is more about like security hygiene, nothing to do with actual design and development.
Okay. I'm trying to think of where you would sit. Would not be working with the release team, I think. Maybe release engineering. It depends on like what the best practices are. Um, can you go into more detail?
Yeah, like documentation, for example, and also yeah, if you click the current version, there's actually a checklist that's even shorter. You can see all the recommendations, like things you have to test before commit. Yeah, all very basic in a way.
Okay. Yeah, I think this is a rel-eng thing, I think. I agree. We do have a separate SIG for documentation, though like each SIG does have its own docs, so depends on what you mean by documentation. But yeah, I think this is more of a release engineering thing, which is part of SIG release, but the sub-project owner for that is not in this call right now. So you would want to talk to Marco, I think, or Sasha. Who else owns rel-eng? You or Steven? Oh, it's Jeremy, isn't it? Yeah,
Yeah. Yeah.
it's
Should
Jeremy.
work. But if you want to like follow up asynchronously about this, then maybe you could provide a small, a short summary in the release engineering Slack channel, and then just ping the at release engineers or something like those folks, and then we can follow up on that asynchronously.
Yeah, so can you paste the name of the channel? Name the Slack channel.
There you go. Thank you, Matteo.
Yeah. All right, thanks.
Okay. Do we have any updates on patch releases? None of the tech leads are here, so probably not. Okay. I don't think we're gonna have updates on OBS packages. Supply chain security is Puerco, who's also not here. Same deal with artifact validation. Sasha, do you have any updates on any of those?
No, we don't have any updates on them. But
Okay.
we should probably find some volunteers for the patch releases. Let me just double check. I guess they are planned for next week.
Okay.
So I can follow up on that.
Thank you. On the release team, it's largely going smoothly. The only drama we have right now is a SIG not really responding actively when trying to find out whether or not they are blocking a cut tomorrow. But the release signal lead called me and the release lead in to go fight with those SIG leads and see if we can get them to respond to us. So
No.
it appears we have a new, it's not Node this time. I know.
Oh,
I
okay.
know.
Wow.
Yeah, it's shocking. It's API machinery this time.
Okay.
So, you know, they were an issue doing exactly this earlier in the release. So we may be having a come to Jesus talk with me after the cycle is over, which I know everybody loves watching. So, show up to API Machinery's first meeting after this cycle is over, and you can watch me read somebody the riot act. It's very exciting. That's the only update I have for the release team, unless you have something, Mateo.
No, we're just waiting for this flaky test. I think it's the same one.
Yeah.
And yeah, but we're just okay, we're chilling. We have like 4 people this time that can take over.
Okay, good. So it's been easy.
Yeah, so far, yeah.
Good. Great. Okay. Next item, pause the v3.10.1 promotion. Whose item is that?
That's mine. Hi, I'm
Okay.
Orko. And so there's a bit of history to this. Basically, this was bumped in 133, but due to flaky SHA, the image promotion never happened, so the image never got pushed to the staging stage. So that's what I've been working on to fix it. So right now the image is still in the staging, but promotion is pending. Once the promotion can be done, I will bump the pause image in the dependencies of the Kubernetes so
Okay.
that like you can make it to 134, hopefully, fingers crossed.
All right. Does anybody else have any open discussion items we want to bring up now that we're at the bottom of the agenda? Okay. Are we going to see anybody at Open Source Summit Europe? Sasha?
No, not me this time.
Wow. Rude. KubeCon?
Also a big no.
Okay. All right. I'll hold down the fort.
There's so the reason actually there's a huge effort in the OpenSSF community about the baseline, which is generic. But I'm just taking here the original reason I was thinking of discussing in a Kubernetes ecosystem is eventually it has to be project specific. And another thing is there's also a lot of discussion about AI. That's why trying to adopt it to AI specific side of it. I don't know. I guess that doesn't belong to this meeting, right?
I would need you to expand significantly more on that AI thing there, because we have fairly strongly held opinions about what use of AI is and isn't acceptable within the project. And in some parts of the project, like SIG docs, it is outright explicitly fully banned. So what do you mean when you bring
Actually,
up AI there?
what
Because it's
what
a
you
hard
just
no for me personally.
yeah, actually, what you have described is actually exactly what how basically the baseline as described in that document that's being extended to cover AI. It's both ways. It's security for AI and AI for security. Right? It's either using AI to develop things for security, better security, or it's security for any AI related to projects or any new features.
Okay. Um, I think we all need to go read this document in detail and then have a conversation about it because it's sounding like so broad that I question the usefulness of it. Did you say SIG Security sent you to us?
Yes, I discussed about this in security, and because this is a project, this is not like actual technical, details, the design
Sure.
development. So that's why they think it's either here or architecture, SIG architecture.
Yeah. Who did you talk to at SIG Security?
In the meeting, the
Yeah.
whole,
Who told you to come here?
I forgot.
Okay.
Yeah.
Was it Tabitha Sable or Ian Coldwater?
Yeah, I think she definitely did. Yeah.
Tabby. Okay. Cool. Thank you. Yeah, I'm gonna go read this and also go talk to Tabby and get the context from the SIG security standpoint because SIG security is a horizontal SIG, so it does apply across the project. We'll see what's up there. Okay. We'll find out and handle it asynchronously from there.
Yeah. I didn't find the release engineering. I did find the release management. So I'll post.
Yeah, it's
that's it. Yeah.
Yeah, that's on me.
Yeah. All right, thank you.
Okay. Does anybody else have any items?
No.
Okay. Then if there's nothing else to discuss on the recording, I will kill the recording and my screen share. Bye.